All right, let's break down the classic showdown, Singer versus Brother. For generations, choosing a sewing machine has often boiled down to these two names. It's a bit like choosing between a classic muscle car and a modern import. One is built on a legacy of raw power and mechanical soul, the other on smart technology and user-focused design. But the question isn't just which brand is better. The real question is, which brand thinks the way you do? Let's get into the details, because the right machine for you is waiting in the answer. Overall positioning. Here's the big picture. Singer and Brother approach sewing from two fundamentally different philosophies. Singer, with its 170-year history, built its name on making sewing a household reality. Their DNA is rooted in durability, power, and straightforward mechanical strength. Think solid metal frames and motors that don't flinch. Their modern machines, especially the heavy-duty line, carry this torch forward. They are workhorses designed for speed and for punching through demanding fabrics. When you think of Singer, think of a tool that prioritizes getting the job done with authority. Brother, on the other hand, comes from the world of technology and electronics. They entered the sewing market later and made their mark by focusing on the user experience. They excel at creating intuitive, computerized machines packed with features that make sewing easier and more creative. Think bright LCD screens, tons of built-in stitches, and automated functions that take the guesswork out of the equation. Brother machines are smart assistants, designed to lower the barrier to entry for beginners and expand the creative palette for hobbyists. So, the core difference is this. Singer sells you power and heritage. Brother sells you features and friendliness. Ease of use. When you're sitting in front of the machine, this is what matters most. Brother has made ease of use its signature. Their computerized models, like those in the popular CS series, are famous for their clear LCD screens that show you exactly which stitch you've selected and what presser foot to use. Threading systems are often guided with numbered diagrams printed right on the machine, and features like the quick-set drop-in bobbin mean you just drop it in and pull the thread through a slot. No fishing for the bobbin thread. For a beginner who feels intimidated, a Brother machine holds your hand and makes the entire process feel less like operating machinery and more like using a modern appliance. Singer approaches ease of use differently. Their mechanical models, like the popular Tradition or the basic heavy-duty machines, are incredibly straightforward. You turn a physical dial to select a stitch. There are no menus to navigate, no screens to decipher. It's a very direct, tactile experience that many people appreciate. You learn the fundamentals of sewing because you are in direct control. Their computerized models, like the Quantum Stylus 9960, are certainly feature-rich, but are often designed for a sewer who already has some confidence. While they include automatic needle threaders and other conveniences, the focus is less on hand-holding and more on providing efficient tools for an experienced user. The bottom line, Brother prioritizes intuitive interfaces, while Singer prioritizes direct control. Heavy-duty capability. This is where Singer truly flexes its muscles. The heavy-duty name isn't just marketing, it's a design philosophy. Machines in the Singer 44X series, for example, are built with a full metal interior frame. This provides the rigidity and stability needed to sew at very high speeds. We're talking up to 1,100 stitches per minute, without the machine vibrating or shaking itself across the table. That stability translates directly to more even, consistent stitches, even when you're flooring it. Furthermore, they are equipped with motors that are genuinely stronger than those in standard machines, giving them the piercing power to drive a needle through multiple layers of denim, canvas, vinyl, or thick upholstery fabric without hesitation. If your projects involve making jeans, bags, or working with anything tougher than cotton, Singer's heavy-duty line is purpose-built for you. Brother does offer machines marketed as heavy-duty, like the ST371HD. These are certainly more capable than their lightweight beginner models and often feature metal frames and stronger needles. However, when you compare them head-to-head with a Singer heavy-duty, the differences become clear. Brother's heavy-duty models typically have a lower top speed, often around 800 stitches per minute, and the motors, while capable, don't always have the same raw torque as the Singer equivalent. They can handle thick fabrics, but they are not specialized for it in the same way. Think of it this way: a Brother HD can handle an occasional heavy-duty task, but a Singer HD is designed to do it all day, every day. Computerized features. If your goal is creative versatility, this is Brother's territory. Brother has mastered the art of packing an incredible number of features into an affordable computerized machine. It's not uncommon to find a mid-range Brother model with over 100 or even 200 built-in stitches, including a vast library of decorative stitches, quilting stitches, and multiple styles of one-step buttonholes. They automate everything they can. Automatic thread tension, speed control sliders, and push-button thread cutters become standard very quickly as you move up their product line. Their interfaces are designed for discovery, encouraging you to try new stitches and techniques. The Brother SE1800, a combination sewing and embroidery machine, comes with 240 sewing stitches right out of the box. Singer also produces excellent computerized machines, but they tend to focus their feature set on function over sheer quantity. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 is a perfect example. It has an impressive 600 built-in stitches, but its standout features are things that serious garment sewers obsess over: an automatic thread cutter that snips both the top and bobbin thread, an extra-high presser foot lift for thick projects, and electronic twin needle settings. The features feel less like gadgets and more like professional workflow enhancements. You get a huge stitch library, but it's backed by the power and speed that Singer is known for. So the distinction is subtle, but important. Brother gives you a giant box of digital crayons, while Singer gives you a set of professional-grade digital drafting tools. Embroidery Focus. For the home hobbyist looking to get into machine embroidery, Brother is almost universally seen as the market leader. Let me explain why. It's not just about the machines themselves, but the entire ecosystem. Brother's combination sewing and embroidery machines, like the popular SE series, are known for being exceptionally user-friendly. They feature large, color LCD touchscreens that let you position, resize, and edit designs directly on the machine with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The process of setting up the embroidery unit, threading the machine, and getting your first stitch out is designed to be as painless as possible. Singer offers combination machines as well, like the Futura series, but they often have a steeper learning curve. In some cases, the editing and design management must be done on a connected computer, adding an extra step to the process. While capable, they don't have the same reputation for plug-and-play simplicity that Brother has cultivated. For someone who wants to take designs from the internet, do some light editing, and start stitching quickly, the Brother experience is simply more direct and encouraging. Feed systems and stitch quality. This is a technical but crucial point that directly impacts how your fabric moves through the machine and how your final stitches look. Brother often highlights its advanced feed systems. Many of their machines, from beginner models to advanced ones, use a 7-point feed dog system. Feed dogs are the little teeth under the needle that grip and pull your fabric. Having more points of contact allows the machine to grip the fabric more evenly, which is a huge advantage when you're working with slippery silks, stretchy knits, or bulky quilts. It results in smoother feeding and helps prevent the fabric from puckering or shifting, leading to more consistent stitch lengths. Singer's reputation for stitch quality comes from a different place: stability. As mentioned earlier, the heavy metal frame on their machines, especially the heavy-duty line, minimizes vibration. When a machine is stable, the needle and stitch-forming mechanisms can operate with maximum precision, even at high speeds. This results in perfectly formed, balanced stitches. So while Brother focuses on perfectly guiding the fabric with its feed system, Singer focuses on creating a perfectly stable platform for the needle to do its work. Both approaches lead to excellent stitch quality, but they get there through different engineering priorities. Included accessories and value. When you're comparing prices, it's important to look at what's actually in the box. Brother is famous for delivering outstanding value by bundling a generous set of accessories. It's common for a Brother machine to come with 7 to 10 different presser feet, including a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, overcasting foot, and sometimes even a walking foot or quilting guide. For a beginner, this is fantastic because it allows you to try a wide range of techniques without having to immediately go out and buy more accessories. Some Quilting Focus models, like the Brother CS7000X, even include a wide extension table, which is a huge bonus for managing large projects. Singer's accessory bundles can be more modest. They typically include the essential feet to get you started, but they don't always match the sheer quantity that Brother provides at a similar price point. With Singer, the value proposition is less about the accessories in the box and more about the machine itself. The stronger motor, the metal frame, the higher speed. You're paying for the core hardware and its long-term durability. The bottom line, Brother offers more out-of-the-box versatility, while Singer offers more long-term power and endurance for the price. Price and reliability. In terms of price, Brother generally offers more features per dollar, especially in the sub-$300 range. They dominate the market for entry-level computerized machines. The trade-off is that their most affordable models use more plastic components, which is perfectly fine for light to moderate use, but might not hold up to years of heavy-duty work. Reliability is generally very good, but they are built to a price point. Singer's pricing reflects their build philosophy. Their mechanical and heavy-duty models offer incredible durability for the money. These machines are known to be reliable workhorses that are often passed down through generations. Their computerized machines are priced to compete with Brother and other brands, but always with an emphasis on the underlying power and frame stability. You might get fewer bells and whistles than a comparable Brother at the same price, but you're getting a machine with a different set of priorities. Ultimately, both brands make reliable machines. You just have to decide whether you want to pay for features or for frame.